In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your hours played on any game using the Epic Games Launcher. If you've ever wanted to see how much time you've spent playing a particular game, or compare your playtime across your entire library, the Epic Games Launcher makes it easy to do. Whether you're keeping track of your progress, checking your most played titles, or simply satisfying your curiosity, this feature is quick to access once you know where to look. To begin, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign in to your Epic Games account if you're not already signed in. After the launcher finishes loading, you'll arrive at the home page where you can access all of your games and account features. Next, look over to the menu on the left side of the launcher and click on Library. This is where every game connected to your Epic Games account is displayed, making it the central location for managing and launching your games. If your library is currently showing large game cover images, you'll need to switch to List View. Near the top of the library page, click the List View icon. This changes the display from large tiles to a detailed list, allowing additional information about each game to appear. Once you're in List View, look for the Time Played column. This column displays the total amount of time you've spent playing each game in your library. The playtime is typically shown in hours, making it easy to see which games you've spent the most time enjoying without opening each one individually. If you're only interested in checking the playtime for a specific game, locate that game in your library and click the three dots next to its title. A small menu will appear, and within that menu you'll find a section labeled You've Played. This displays the total amount of time you've spent playing that particular game. If you don't see any playtime listed, there are a couple of things to verify. First, make sure you've launched the game at least once through the Epic Games Launcher. Games that haven't been started from the launcher may not have any recorded playtime available. You should also confirm that your library is still set to List View, since the Time Played column isn't available when your games are displayed as large cover tiles. It's also worth remembering that some games launched through third-party services, such as Ubisoft Connect, may not report their playtime correctly inside the Epic Games Launcher. If that happens, you'll need to check your playtime using the game's own launcher instead. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly check the hours you've played on any game using the Epic Games Launcher, making it easy to monitor your gaming activity whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,